the Punjab government had issued an advertisement for the post of Patwari. This advertisement was issued by the Subordinate Services Selection Board Punjab, and the advertisement number is 2 of 2023. The selection has neared completion. Now, what is most interesting is clause number 3 of the advertisement, which talks about pay scale. There is a note under clause 3 which says that during their 1-year training period, successful candidates appointed as Patwari will be entitled to only rupees 5,000 per month as stipend, and this has been done in compliance of some Punjab government notification dated 14th December 2015. Now, if my opinion is taken, this is grossly illegal. Payment of rupees 5,000 per month as stipend is illegal on all counts. It violates the rights of the candidates enshrined under the Constitution of India, namely Articles 14, Article 39, and so on. It violates the doctrine of equal pay for equal work, which has been discussed by the Supreme Court in so many of its judgments. It violates the law laid down by the Supreme Court in a number of landmark judgments. Now, what is most important is this also violates the recent law laid down by 3 division bench judgments of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. I'll quickly discuss those judgments because they, according to me, cover the issue squarely. The first judgment is Gurinder Singh versus State of Punjab. In this case, appointment letters had been issued which contained conditions that probationers will be entitled to less salary during their period of probation, and only after its successful completion will they be entitled to the salaries and the pay scales given to regular employees. Now, this was challenged, and the Punjab and Haryana High Court Division Bench was pleased to strike this down. The court said that these employees did not have any choice because an employee is under an economic compulsion to accept whatever best livelihood that he's able to gather. But that does not entitle the state to exploit its employees, and that payment of less wages to probationers is economic exploitation of the employee. The second judgment, which was rendered shortly thereafter, was the judgment in Dr. Vishwdeep Singh versus State of Punjab, again a division bench judgment. In this case, the posts involved were medical officers general who were being paid only rupees 15,600 during the period of probation. This was struck down by the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which said that it was an abysmally low pay for such well-qualified doctors, and that the state should not be resorting to these kinds of tactics through its notifications. Importantly, the court relied on the division bench judgment of Gurinder Singh as well as the Rajasthan High Court judgment of Gopal Kumawat. Then there was a third judgment which has been rendered in the year 2023. This judgment is Ajay Kumar Singla versus State of Punjab, wherein again the court adverted to the law laid down in all the earlier judgments and quashed subsequent notifications issued by the State of Punjab. So therefore, to my mind, the legal position is quite clear. It has been amply fortified by the Supreme Court judgment in State of Punjab versus Jagjit Singh, which is a 2016 judgment by Justice Kher's bench. And therefore, there is no ambiguity whatsoever.